Today,
we're taking you to So reading through the FAQs, they do not allow microphones, these little fluffy things on top, to come into Meow itself, so we have to leave them behind. But you may hear something like this.
This is Anna. And from the future.
We'll be providing any necessary commentary as we take you into Meow Wolf.
Hey, let's go already. We need to explore Meow Wolf and get some dinner after this.
Arepas.
Okay. Thank you, future Adam and Anna. Let's go.
Welcome to the Quantum Department of Transportation, QDOT Center. This is where we'll be picking up our quantum travel tram to one of the converged worlds when we're ready to depart.
The station is a bit overwhelming with the amount of people traversing the worlds, so we're going to go ahead and seek some refuge in the Perplexiplex and Gallery. Okay, we've had a bit of time to just settle into our surrounding space. As soon as we walked in, the amount of people and everything going on made us, and especially me, feel really anxious and overwhelmed. We're going to go ahead and head over to the Hello Cafe for a bite to eat before continuing. We stopped for a snack right upon walking in because apparently I'm hungry, and I got some tacos. So if you get hungry, there's food here.
Let's board this tram and head to our first world, C Street. At this point, the tram operator gave us the best advice of the day.
Have a good time. If you get lost, you get right.
This is C Street. It is a first world line with 2-story buildings, stores, exchanges, restaurants, etc. Can you imagine planning this, like this whole experience? Does it open or do you open it? Oh, it does. Oh my God. Oh my God.
This place is so crazy.
All right, got kind of quiet. So far, you can pretty much just wander around wherever you want and experience it however you want.
That was weird. But let's see what's over here. Ooh, this is Eemia. This is another world home to an advanced civilization of navigators and explorers. This is just a preview though because, well, we got lost. But we do plan to come back. Whoa! Is there like secret doors in here? Are we like in the washing machine? Oh my God, this is a great place for a selfie.
These hallways are way too enticing for selfies and quirky shots. We are currently sitting in a walk-in freezer.
In a kitchen in some alien apartment.
It's
There's a lot of people here.
Yeah.
So tip, come on a weekday.
Yeah.
Or you're gonna meet everybody in Denver here. But so far it's actually been kind of fun. Once I ate.
Yeah.
It's definitely sensory overload.
Agreed. So if you come here, be prepared to be just like overwhelmed the entire time.
Yeah. It's like being at a rave gallery.
Yeah.
If that makes sense. Anywho, shall we get out of the freezer? What's in here?
bunch of people. Let's go.
So fun fact for you as we're about to walk into the Pizza Pal's playzone. The building that Meow Wolf is housed in is colloquially known as the Sleepy Pizza because of its shape in early renderings, and now it's known as the Convergence Station. See, we came back here because we got lost yet again and ended up here again. And of course, Adam couldn't resist playing in a spaceship.
Fact. So much fun. Ooh, the third world. We made it to Numea.
We should really look at real estate prices here. Dude, I really like this world. I think it's because like all ethereal and stuff. I'm having a lot of fun filming these trippy shots. There's so much to look at. Let's go this way. It's not for old people. All right, let's see what the hallway brings. Oh my god.
Wait, is this the exit? Is it over?
That must mean we're getting closer to dinner.
The key is not to twist your ankle.
We just left Meow Wolf. Hope you enjoyed that part of the video.
That place, we were there for 3.5 hours.
Yeah, and I'm a little dizzy, but maybe that's because I'm also hungry. So we're walking to the car now, and we're gonna go ahead and get some dinner. We're gonna go get Venezuelan arepas.
Ooh, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go get some dinner. There's so many places here that look all so delicious. Okay, let's go. There are so many places to eat here. I think we're gonna have to come back here in the future because there's like 15 different places I want to eat.
Arepas. I don't know what I want. They have so many things. I'm torn between arepas or cachapas. We're stuffed.
Definitely about to explode.
We didn't take you along with us during dinner because the place that you eat is actually a giant food hall with restaurants that surround it.
And it was so good. It was delicious, but whoa, I'm so full.
Because we ordered enough food for like 4 people. So we had 2 arepas, we had tequeños, and we had a side of plantains. I had a Venezuelan soda called Frescolita, which is basically a very sweet tutti frutti tasting drink. Dude, this thing is like massive. I can't even eat that. Oh, good.
Anna let me have one bite, and she was like, nope, mine.
I was not gonna share. But anyways, pro tip.
Yeah, pro tip, if you want to go to Meow Wolf, about 5 o'clock on Saturday, empty. We went at 2 o'clock, packed.
So not 2 p.m., go at 5:30. It empties out. So go and have a nice lunch first and then meander into Meow Wolf afterwards. So
Absolutely. So at this point, we're gonna wrap up the video. We hope you enjoyed exploring Meow Wolf.
yes, and the delicious dinner that we had at the Edgewater Public Market.
Absolutely. If you like this video, please, please, please hit that thumbs up button, hit that like button. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers.
No, we're almost there.
So please, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. We would love you for the rest of your life.
We'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Sorry, I choked. We stop. That's how you leave Meow Wolf. Ooh, we're stuffed.
About to explode.
It's super loud in here, so we didn't want to vlog while we were actually eating because it's actually a food haul. But we just finished having dinner. Start again.
You doing the entire thing?